It's easy to get a screw stuck in plastic when you're working with tools at home. In this video, we want to talk about what you can do when something like this happens. We will go through an easy way of removing the screw, while also discussing what to do if you want to fill the hole left behind by the screw. As an example, we are going to use a small plastic bowl to show you how to do this. But remember that you can use this same method on any plastic object. Before everything else, we need to remove the screw. To do this, use a screwdriver to twist the screw counterclockwise so it loosens and comes off. As you can see, the screw is gone from the bowl, but there is still a big hole inside because of it. Now we will see how to fill this hole and give it a proper finish. To do this, you are going to need a glue gun. With that, you can fill up and block the hole with glue. Leave the bowl to rest for a few minutes so that the glue hardens and the hole is filled. After it's done drying, use a paper cutter on both sides to get rid of extra glue and even out the surface. The best way to even the surface completely is to use sandpaper after using a paper cutter. That way, you can rub the sandpaper on both sides to give it an even finish. Because of this, the bowl will stay stable no matter where you put it, and anything you pour inside won't fall out. You can see that both sides are now even. To demonstrate, we are going to pour some water inside the bowl. There is no leakage at all, and the water sits inside without spilling. It also stays in place when you put it down, instead of wobbling on a plain surface. As you saw, it's easy to get rid of a screw from plastic and fill the hole as long as you have a few simple things at home. If this video helped you, subscribe to Hooked on Tool for more guides, tips, and other content related to tools.